Hey guys, welcome back to Japanese classes. Her sensei this side. Today I'm going to teach you about how to speak and write katakana, ta, chi, tsu, te and to. So let's get started with the video.
So our first alphabet today is ta. So draw a small curvy line, then a sleeping line followed by a drop down, then a cut like this. This becomes ta. Then for chi, you just have to draw a slanting line followed by a long sleeping line like this, and then followed by a small curvy line. This becomes chi. The next alphabet in line is Su. So for Su, you just have to draw two small lines like this and then followed by a curvy line like this. For Te, you just have to draw two parallel lines, one big and other one being small, then draw a small drop down like this. This becomes Te. Our last alphabet today in the line is To. So for To, you just have to draw a standing line followed by a small cut. This becomes To.
So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys have understood what I have taught you today and you guys would practice. For practicing you can download the PDF from the link provided down in the description box for the hiragana, katakana and kanji, and you guys can also check me out on Instagram and Twitter where I post regularly, and also you can check out my application and website. All of these links will be down in the description box. So bye, thank you.